To install the Impero console, you need to run the Impero Client Setup MSI. You can download this from our customer portal, or you can request the install package from one of our Impero teams, such as our technical support department. Once you have located the installer, click on the Impero Client MSI to begin the install. The installer will run silently and does not require any user access input. When the console is successfully installed, the Impero desktop icon will appear. The console should take up to 10 minutes to establish an initial connection with the Impero server. Once it is connected, you can access the console by double-clicking on the desktop shortcut or by using the task tray icon. A password will need to be entered at the start of each session. This password can be found on the Impero server. If you need access to a password, contact your network management team.